Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing is from Coach, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. I would love to have you around, and let's get to this. As usual, I purchased this from Macys.com. This is where I shop for my Coach and Michael Kors bags. They usually have the best deals, so I would always check Macys first. It comes along with all these little coupons for other places to shop and eat, but that's just junk. I always throw that away. And of course, with my receipt, I paid $74.96, just right under $75 with tax included. And it comes in this beautiful Coach packaging box. It's really nice. You could use it as a keepsake or to store away your clutch when you're not using it. It's a very nice looking box. It's also very sturdy, so it'll be helpful to put your bag in it when you're not using it. And I bought mine in this pink color. It did come in different colors, but I chose this one because it was on sale, of course. And it has your silver hardware, which I do like how the silver looks versus the gold. Has your Coach tag, which almost every bag has it, and it comes with a wristlet, and it is removable, so you could use this bag in 3 different ways: as a clutch, you put the wristlet as a wristlet, or you put the crossbody strap and as a crossbody bag. So it has very nice options, and the hardware is really nice, and this zipper is very smooth as well. Here is the crossbody strap I was telling you about. And it is adjustable strap, so you could adjust it to your height or preferred way of wearing it. And I'm glad it's removable. I plan on using this bag as a wristlet, so I will not be using it as a crossbody. And inside is your care card and the price tag, which this bag retails for $175, so I pretty much got $100 off of it, so it's such a great deal. And your care card. Now inside it has the Coach tag, which shows that it's an authentic bag, and it has the serial number of it. It has 2 slip pockets on the other side. And here is the crossbody strap, which is adjustable, as I mentioned before. So it's very nice that it has 2 separate compartments, so you could separate and easier to organize your stuff. Very nice zippers as well. And here I have an iPhone 8 Plus. Here is the size of it compared to the bag. Now this bag measures 7.5 in length, 4.5 in height, and 1.5 inches width. And like I said, I also have the Lumi case on it, which makes the iPhone 8 Plus a little bit bulkier, so it'll fit just perfect whatever size you have. And here I have my key holder that also fits nicely on the other side, and you can fit more stuff in it. Lipsticks, here's 3 lipsticks inside, and you can still fit a pack of gum, and even those skinny little tissue packs of tissues, you can fit that in there, and whatever else that's small enough, it'll fit. So this is what it looks like. Now as far as the wristlet goes, I really wish it was a little bit longer and also a little bit thicker, so it could feel a little better on the wrist, but it still works out fine. Now this bag is made out of leather. I believe it's pebbled leather, and it has no feet at the bottom. Here's a closer look at it. Very nicely lined. The hardware is also nice. Good quality. Here's the little Coach emblem. As far as color transfer, you might get some if it rubs off maybe on your jeans. So far I haven't had any, but Like I said, I use it more as a wristlet, so it's not really close to my body. Questions or comments, leave them down below. And if this video was helpful, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.